Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady, and today I'm going to show you how to make sukiyaki, a favorite of a lot of people, and it's Japanese but everybody loves it. Take a big pot and heat it up. Now I'm putting in about 3 tablespoons of butter. Gonna put in a tablespoon of garlic and minced ginger. And just really quick, just to bring the flavor out. And some cut onions, about half a cup or so. We'll throw in the diced chicken. It's about 2 pounds here. And we want to brown this, and now you can smell it. It's really good. The smell of the butter, garlic, and ginger. So I'm going to put it on high because this is a lot of chicken. If you don't want to use chicken, you can use pork, you can use beef, whatever your choice is. I've cooked it so all the raw meat is not showing, but I don't want to cook it so long because it'll be overcooked, and these are chicken breasts. So as it cooks everything, it'll be done. Next is gobo, which looks like this. It can get like 3 feet long, but I've just used maybe about 12 inches or so to equal like 1 cup. So you have to soak it because it gets kind of brown and discolored. So I'm going to drain it. You see the water is brown. And then I'll just add it in because this is the hardest vegetable. Just stir this up. Right now it's colorless, but as we put in the other things, it'll be nice. Next, putting in a can of shredded bamboo shoots. Mix it up. Only takes a few seconds. This is pretty quick. Half hour you can get it done. I have a can of whole button mushrooms, and some of them were really big, so I cut them in half. Next is long rice. Long rice comes in a package like this. It's actually mung bean threads, and dried it looks like this. So what I did was I soaked it in water for half hour, and then I drained it. Then we'll put it in. The long rice, you don't have to pre-cook it, because if you pre-cook it first, by the time everything cooks up, it'll be really soggy, so you don't want that. So you're gonna mix it up really quickly, and the juices will soften it. And next, gonna put in a bunch of watercress. Here on the mainland, the watercress is very short, like about 8 inches tall for a bunch. In Hawaii, our watercress is like about 1.5 feet long, so very different. So you pour that in, and see, these things cook quickly. So you just stir it all up. So it's not quite done, but I don't want it to overcook. Next, firm tofu, like this. Easy to get in any grocery store, mostly. I've already pre-cut them into 1-inch cubes. and I just pour it in. Now you have to be very careful because tofu is delicate, so you don't want to mix it too much. Then I'm going to add soy sauce. We'll start with a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We may need more, but try this first. 1/4 cup. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay. I've saved the juice or the liquid from the mushrooms because it has good taste. So I'm going to pour this in. And I have some chicken broth, which I used. This is a powder, like so. And all it is 1 teaspoon per cup of water. And so I'm gonna pour in some, not too much because there's quite a bit of liquid already. And I'm gonna taste the sauce to see if we need more soy sauce, but it looks like we do need more. Yeah. So I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And there you have it. The last is the green onions, 1/2 cup. And the dish is done. Thank you. And if you can't find like the bouillon, powdered bouillon, I like this because it has no MSG in it. And this is the long rice. It comes in a package like this. They have different sizes too. So if you can't find them, we'll put it in the description where you can get it from. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have any requests, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Mahalo. Good. And you can make this too at home. You see, we only took about 20 minutes max. So really fast and easy.